All right, good morning. It's early on a Saturday morning. We've had a little bit of a, I don't know, head cold run through the family this week, and my wife has some vision problems, and now she's woke up. Excuse me. Thinks she may have pink eye or something, one eye's. Anyway, she can't put her contacts in, and look who came to see us, baby girl. Anyway, so her glasses are broken, so I'm going to make an attempt to solder the earpiece back on her glasses. This is a different video. I've never made a eyeglass repair video before. I don't even know if I can do it, but I'm going to throw this camera on the tripod real quick, and maybe it's a helpful video for somebody that's broken their glasses that can't afford to go get another pair or something. I don't know. We were going to grabbing the tripod, we're walking through my cluttered up shop, and try to spin this thing around here. Alright, let me get this thing set up, y'all, and we'll see if we make a video out of this. Alright, I'm going to attempt to solder this back together without any solder because I'm having trouble finding any. Maybe just totally out, but maybe enough left on the piece. Braze it back together. It's not working real good. Let me take some Scotch-Brite. Just clean the tip of this off. I don't know if this thing's hot. Is this thing even hot? May have overheated and cool down. Burn wood. Put it under it, let the heat rise up through it, see if that'll work. Normally I would do that and drop some solder on it, but this thing, being a thick piece of metal, it may just soak up all the heat from the soldering gun. It may not get hot fast enough. Lay it on top. That's not working. Alright. Drop back and punt. Okay, what I've done, I've decided to go in with a torch. I've got a little mini torch. I'm going to see if I can't get it hot with that, control the temperature, and I found a little bit of solder. I did find another roll. It's heavier gauge, so I don't know if this is going to help or not. I'm shaking like a leaf. There may not be enough gas in this thing. Run out of gas. Let me fill this back up. Alright, we'll try it again. Got some more butane in the torch. Yeah, it's got a flame now. Not hot enough to even melt the solder. This thing's a piece of shit. Alright, we're on to torch number 2, because the first one won't stay lit. This one's more of a direct flame type deal. See if I can get it hot enough without catching the earpiece on fire. Well, that looks terrible. Didn't stick. Alright, I believe that did it. Doesn't look good, but it's fixed. And it'll get her through the weekend until she get to the eye doctor. No, it didn't fixed. Well, when in doubt, break the glue out. Alright, I made a couple attempts to fix the glasses that have been broken a few times. I've already glued them back here once. I made several attempts to solder the connection back here, but it was a no-go. So what I ended up doing is I took a piece of heat shrink tube for wiring repair, being an automotive mechanic that I have been for 28, 30 years, whatever, my whole life basically. So I put the heat shrink tube over it, heated it up. I got the tightest piece I could find in my kit, slid it over the earpiece, heated it up, and hey, that's gonna get her by. It's probably don't want to yank on it, but it's overlapped. The pieces overlap just a little bit. These glasses are bent on pieces anyway, as you can see, but that will help her get through the day at least. So she get to the eye doctor and get her new pair. She needs a new script anyway. So anyway, if you ever need a tip on how to fix your eyeglasses in a pinch, if you have any heat shrink tube, slide a piece of heat shrink tube over it. If you break the earpiece, slide the heat shrink over, take you a little lighter, heat it up, it contracts down, locks it in place. I had a little drop of super glue on it too. My super glue must be old or something. It didn't want to set up. I even threw a little heat at it. Still don't want to set up, not fast at least. I don't have time to wait all day for it to set up. So, all right, quick and easy way to repair an earpiece on a piece of some eyewear, sunglasses, eyeglasses, whatever. It really doesn't look that bad. It's a lot better than duct tape. If you want a solution to fix your eyeglasses without duct tape, I think this is the best bet. Heat shrink tube.